Breaking news: Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso have announced today, January 28, 2024, this Sunday, that they are no longer members of ECOWAS. In fact, these three nations have announced that they are no longer part of ECOWAS and they are not going to take part in any activity of ECOWAS, which therefore means that ECOWAS has no jurisdiction over these three countries and can no longer carry out sanctions on these three countries because they are no longer members of the organization. The announcement was done today, which is Sunday, on the official site or the official television of these three media organs, of these three nations rather. The state television of Burkina Faso announced it through the Minister of Communication. That I will play you the video so that you get the announcement yourself. Also in Mali, the communication officer of Mali, which is a military junta, read the communique, and also the military representative in Niger, who is a military spokesperson, read the communique to officially make their position known. It's a joint communique that these three nations actually wrote to ECOWAS, notifying them that as of this today, with immediate effect, they cease to be members of ECOWAS, what is known in French as CEDEAO. To this effect, therefore, they cited one of the reasons why which they cited was that ECOWAS is a body which doesn't represent the aspiration of the West African people. It is being used by the neo-colonialists to foster their neo-colonialism in Africa, and ECOWAS is fighting against Pan-Africanism that is giving power back to Africans to effectively control their economy and political future. Now, this is what we should be expecting in future. These three nations will definitely come with their currency, which means that they are going to quit from the CFA francs, which is being used now as a medium, as a legal tender. I want you to watch this video very well, which was a moment when the communication officer of Burkina Faso announced it on their state television, read the joint communiqué.
Excellences, le général Aboubakar Sangoulé Lamizana, le général Moussa Traoré et le lieutenant-colonel Seyni Kounché, respectivement chef d'État de la Haute-Volta actuelle Burkina Faso, du Mali et du Niger, créés avec 12 de leurs pairs le 28 mai 1975 à Lagos, la communauté économique des États de l'Afrique de l'Ouest, CEDEAO. Après 49 ans d'existence, les vaillants peuples du Burkina, du Mali et du Niger constatent avec beaucoup de regrets, d'amertume et une grande déception que leur organisation s'est éloignée des idéaux de ses pères fondateurs et du panafricanisme. En outre, la CEDEAO, sous l'influence de puissances étrangères, trahissant ses principes fondateurs, est devenue une menace pour ses États membres et ses populations dont elle est censée assurer le bonheur. En effet, l'organisation n'a pas porté assistance à nos États dans le cadre de notre lutte existentielle contre le terrorisme et l'insécurité. Pire, lorsque nos États ont décidé de prendre leur destin en main, elle a adopté une posture irrationnelle et inacceptable en imposant des sanctions illégales, illégitimes, inhumaines et irresponsables en violation de ses propres textes, toutes choses qui ont davantage fragilisé les populations déjà meurtries par des années de violence imposées par des hordes terroristes instrumentalisées et téléguidées. Face à cette situation qui perdure, leurs excellences, le capitaine Ibrahim Traoré, le colonel Assimi Goïta et le général de brigade Abdourahmane Tiani, respectivement chef d'État du Burkina Faso, de la République du Mali et de la République du Niger, prenant toutes leurs responsabilités devant l'histoire et répondant aux attentes, préoccupations et aspirations de leur population, décident en toute souveraineté du retrait sans délai du Burkina Faso, du Mali et du Niger de la communauté économique des États de l'Afrique de l'Ouest. Fait à Ouagadougou, à Bamako et à Niamey.